Do you want to become a better version of yourself? I want you to picture something for a second. Imagine what your life would look like if everything stayed the same. You keep the same job, earn the same amount of money, and have the same relationships for the rest of your life. Most of all, every day that goes by, you wish for change, yet nothing seems to happen. You feel like you're the only one in your circle of friends who yearns for a better life. And because none of them are action takers, you feel like they're stopping you from living the life of your dreams. I know it's a tough pill to swallow, and I don't mean to get you down and depressed. Because although there is a cost of taking action, there's also a huge cost of not taking action. Let's pretend you make $3,000 a month now, but want to make $10,000. If you don't take action on your goal, every month that goes by, you're losing $7,000, which is $84,000 per year. I always say, not making a decision is still making a decision. You're deciding to stay where you are. Everybody, including myself, has periods in their life where they don't take action as fast as they should. Your goal is to minimize the time between realizing you need to take action and taking action. It's now February, and we are firmly in the year 2021. So, ask yourself this question. Is this the year that I get started on my goals and begin building the life I've always wanted to live? Or will I wait until January 1st, 2022? I know it's hard getting started, trust me, I've been there. But only you can decide when enough inaction is enough. If you want to become a better version of yourself, and start to live the life you want, visit our website BeTheBestYouCanBe.com, where we teach you how to become a better version of yourself. Check the link in the description, and sign up for your free ebook, Become the Best Version of Yourself, to get you started on your journey towards becoming a better you. And subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tips on how you can become a better version of yourself. Create a good day and take action.